So I recently had an incident that I wanted to share with you guys, and this incident is related to AWS cost or billing, you can say. So I set an amount of $10 for my monthly budget, and I received an email that your monthly overall budget exceeds $8 for the current month. The month cost associated with this budget is $222. So I was shocked that how can one of the services that how one of the services can cost me so much that in just one day that I'm not aware of. Because if I have set the amount of $10 for my budget for a monthly budget, then I'm not expecting to have a service which can cost me this much of amount. So I went to the billing dashboard and saw that I have a certificate manager that costed me around $216. So I don't know where it came from. I may created it for the month of like April, and there was a condition that for the first 30 days there is no cost for the certificate manager, but after 30 days you will have to pay for these 30 days as well. So it gave me an amount of $216 in just one day. I immediately went to the certificate manager section and deleted that certificate manager, disabled it, so so I can get completely rid of it. And then I went to the support section and I told them my situation, that my certificate manager have costed me this much amount and I cannot pay this, so please help me. And they were so good in their support that they replied me in one day, and without asking any further questions or any further investigation, they gave me a $216 of credit that I can use against the billing of certificate manager.